there is a transformative change coming to the enterprise you should know about. It is called data-centric architecture. It solves two of the most frustrating and costly issues in modern enterprise information management: complexity and integration debt. What is it exactly? In short, a data-centric architecture establishes a single, coherent model of your business that is built with semantic logic, rather than with traditional relational tables and code. It represents a move away from the existing application-centric paradigm, where data is stored in multiple local application data models that are overlapping and incompatible. This innovation is being driven by powerful economic forces. Organizations realize that while the cost of compute, networking and storage has fallen exponentially over the last 40 years, the ongoing cost of systems integration and professional services have not. In fact, they are growing at an increasing rate. Most organizations spend 30% to 60% of their total IT budget on integration efforts. Why? You would think after all this time, managing data would have also gotten less expensive. But it hasn't. That's because the majority of efforts in IT and analytics are focused on paying interest on integration debt and not improving ongoing operational efficiency. Integration debt is the cost of having all of your data stored in separate local applications, and then building departments and processes, and hiring armies of people to integrate them, so you can get the answers you need. We pay integration debt every time we build another data warehouse. Have ETL architects ship data from here to there. Migrate data from an old system to a new system. Move it to the cloud. Or drop it in the lake. And the truth is, these resulting systems are seldom really integrated at all. You just have some partial data from one system joined with some other partial data from another system. This might work if you just had to do it once. But when there is a new request, containing a field you didn't capture, you again pay someone to add it. Another payment made to integration debt. Does your organization spend more time and money paying this debt than providing insights and delivering value? Most do. The good news is, there is a way to discharge this debt. Data-centric architecture makes data, not applications, the persistent organizing principle of your digital ecosystem. A knowledge graph, built from a relatively small number of conceptual primitives, represents the enterprise. Small, low-code apps interact with this central persistent data model. Applications come and go, that's a reality. But with a data-centric architecture, you retain your greatest digital asset, your data and its meaning. What's more? Because your data is stored in a knowledge graph, it is structured in semantic terms, that is, in concepts that humans recognize and that machines can process. This is profoundly different than data stored in relational tables, where it must be interpreted for meaning at every turn, by both people and systems. The data graph model is not only thousands of times simpler, but it offers a single query point, a place to get answers spanning the enterprise without thinking about data sources, join structures, or metadata. As for simplicity, when your data speaks the same language as your business, you can ask almost any question, no matter how complex, using familiar concepts. Your executives will keep asking questions. Will your system be ready with an answer rather than a timeline? It can. For over 20 years, Semantic Arts has been leading clients through true digital transformations toward data-centric enterprise architecture. Let's work together toward a true digital transformation.